Good morning YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So this is Kathy. So today's vlog we're gonna unbox an order from Shoppee. So this store's name is ZVTPK. Okay, I'm gonna post down below the name of the seller. So with the record, ZVTPK has only 4.6 rating, meaning it's not really recommended from all buyers. Kasi kung ikaw ay gusto mo yung trusted na seller, then you're gonna search for 4.9 rating na seller. And this seller, ZVTPK, has only 229 or 229 products. And mostly, the seller has mobile accessories products. And she or he has only 36% response. When the buyers would chat her or him, he or she will just respond them, probably not all the time, because he or she has only 36%. Malayo-layo sa 100% response. So today's vlog, we're gonna unbox an order from that store. So it took 2 weeks for it to deliver sa akin. Dahil I used the Expo's delivery service, and according to the delivery man, branch nila ay sa Mandawi. I am in City of Naga, so it's kind of far from Mandawi. It's just understandable that it took 2 weeks. But next time, if I like this seller, then I'm gonna choose JNT service or the Ninja van. Okay, so let's start. We're gonna start with circle selfie ring light. So it's like this here, and we're gonna open it. So this ring light cost only 78 pesos. Ito. And ang kalapad niya is ganito lang. Okay, we're gonna try it. So it has clips here. You're gonna use this one near to your camera. Okay, so it took us 5 minutes to find out how to make this thing work. Pero ganito lang pala yun. Here. Ganito. Wow, so you have three choices. Yung first one, second, and third one. Look at it. So it changes. So we're gonna try with the lights off. And we're gonna try this selfie ring light. Second button. Look at it. Okay. Wow. You're gonna do this like this. Okay, so if I'm gonna rate this one from 1 to 5, then I'm gonna rate it with 5. So, ang galing niya, it actually has 3 options. First dim, second one is okay lang, and the third one is very bright siya. And it's good for TikTokers. So, if you are a TikToker, then you're gonna comment below, and I'm gonna give you 1. Okay? Okay, so we're gonna have giveaways. I'm gonna give one if you're gonna like this video, you're gonna share the video with your friends, and you're gonna subscribe, and you're gonna comment below if you like this. And if you can pass with the requirements, then I'm gonna chat you, and you're gonna give me your personal information, your contact information, so that I can send you this. Okay? Okay, so we're gonna have the other one. So this is like this. Okay, so if you're gonna buy in Shoppee, I suggest you're gonna look for the highest rated seller. So if you could find 4.9 or 4.8 seller or 4.8 rated seller, then I suggest that you're gonna buy from that seller. Okay, so it's like this. Oh, there you are. Okay, got it. So we're gonna try this one first. Okay, so this is a tripod. So we're gonna open this one. So this one is Yunting. So from the name itself, probably it is a product from China. So this is Yunting mini tripod mount camera. So here it is. Okay, so let's try it. So if you could see like this, you could think that this is a damage, but I think it is not. Probably dahil ito sa pag-deliver ng delivery service. So this one is, so this is a holder. So maganda yung holder niya is dito. And it has here rubber so that it will not scratch your phone. So the good thing for tripod is it could hold your camera or your phone if you're gonna do vlogging or even picture taking. So it looks like this here. So ganito kahaba. So parang isang dangka lang. And you're gonna put it here like this. So I actually recommend you to buy in Shoppee because it is really cheap actually cheaper compared to malls. Naglakad-lakad kami last Sunday and I asked for tripod like this, and it costs 150 pesos. So doon sa e-mall, it cost 148 or 145. And in Unitap sa Cebu, it cost 150. And in Shoppee, it cost 45 pesos. Ano ba to? So if you like this one, I could give you one. So you comment below if you like it, and you like this video as well. You share it with your friends, and you're gonna subscribe my channel so that you could be updated for more videos to come. And I'm gonna choose one follower, then I'm gonna chat the follower so that that follower could send me his or her contact information. Okay, if you want one, I could give you. So I could rate this tripod 1 to 5. I think only 3. Nahihirapan ako kung paano ito ilagay. Okay, so the good thing here is it has lock and unlock here. So this is lock and unlock. So you're gonna push this one and you can swivel. So you could push it to unlock and turn it. So maganda talaga siya so that you can adjust the angle. So I like it. Okay, this is the second one. Here. It's here. And it's okay. This is the third one. This is the third one. So I suggest this one for those vloggers who usually carry their phone with them. Ganito. So we're gonna have this one as well. So this one is liit niya. Look. Liit. So this is octopus gorilla. So you could adjust this one if you want it like this. Just if you want to attach it on a tree or so you could have it selfie. Hindi ko copy. So I don't recommend this one for DSLRs. Dahil as we know DSLRs mabigat-bigat. And look at it. I only suggest this for phone. But ang cute talaga niya. So if you like this as well, you comment down below. Then you're gonna like this video. You're gonna share it with your friends. Subscribe below. And I'm gonna choose one of you. And I'm gonna chat you for your contact information. So in Shoppee, this only costs okay, for Shoppee, this only costs probably 45 as well. So in Shoppee, this only costs 45 pesos. If you like this one, comment down below. I'm gonna send this to you. So this is the last one. Here it is. Tumpit na siya. At may pansit pa. Look at it, pansit. Wow, ate, may pansit. Here it is. So this is chargeable, and this is the charger. You need only adapter. So let's try this one. So look at it. Oh my god. Goodness. This Bluetooth. Oh my god. So this Bluetooth headset costs 99 pesos, but it is not turning on. So we need to charge this one first. Okay, so far naman is gumagana naman siya. Okay, thank you guys for following. And if you want one of those items, you just like this video, comment down below in the comment box. You subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon for you to be notified as well. So again, if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye!